We start with breaking news tonight. Washington takes a critical step forward. Anyone 16 or older in Washington will be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine starting April 15th. Thanks for joining us. I'm Neil Wong.
And I'm Aaron Luna. Several states have already made this move. And tonight, Washington is joining them in hopes of avoiding another coronavirus surge. Mayor Kawash is here. Mayor, why did the state finally change its mind?
Well, Aaron, because of what you just said right there. The state was committed to a phased approach, but they're opening up vaccines to everybody because of a, quote, disturbing trend of rising cases across Washington. Now, you can see right here, the state is averaging about 53,000 doses per day at a local and state level. Experts are confident in the supply coming in, so anyone who wants a shot can get one starting on the 15th.
All Washingtonians over 16 will be eligible.
That's something we've all been waiting to hear for more than a year now. The state is confident in the amount of vaccine doses coming in each week to open up access to all adults on April 15th. 421,000 more doses are coming to Washington next week, and providers in Spokane County are ready to serve.
We as a community do have the capacity to scale up.
By April 15th, all 6.3 million adults in Washington will be eligible to get their protection against this virus. But some people are still hesitant. In fact, 38% of people 65 and older in Washington have not gotten their shot, despite being eligible for months now. Governor Inslee calls that disturbing.
So I'm calling on all of us to help these folks, our parents, our uncles, our aunts, our grandparents. I'm really hopeful that everyone can have a discussion with the people they love.
In the meantime, more Washingtonians are immediately eligible to get their shot. The state opened vaccine access today to people 16 and older with 2 underlying conditions, as well as everyone 60 and older. People living in congregate settings are also now eligible, and more critical care workers like restaurant employees can get a shot. That's a critical step forward for all of us as we dine in at the local shops we love.
Whether you're front of the house in a restaurant or back of the house in a restaurant, the exposure could be very similar because you are around patrons who are going to not have a mask.
Now, at last check, there are a lot of appointments available right now across Spokane County to get your vaccine, but the Department of Health tells us it will be up to each provider to decide how far out they'll be scheduling appointments. So as of right now, you may not be able to find an appointment for April 15th, but that could change soon. Now, we're here to help you find those appointments. For all your vaccine information in Washington and Idaho, just head to kxoi.com/vaccine.